Hey, what is going on everyone? Welcome back to another brand new video. I have recently just got a new hoodie. It is right behind me. Haven't done a hoodie review in quite a while just because I wasn't really gonna buy hoodies in the summer. Here it is. It's one that I've been pretty excited to get. I've wanted for quite a while, but finally got my hands on it. It sells pretty fast. By the title and thumbnail, you probably know what this is. But we're gonna open it up, take it out the packaging, and see what's inside. Let's just get right to it. I'm actually very excited for this one. I don't know, I think it's very nice. I've seen it a little bit. I've seen it in person very rarely, but when I see them I'm like, dang, that's pretty sweet. Here it is out of the packaging. We got the dark blue one. Let's take it out of this other packaging. It didn't take too long to ship, maybe like 2 weeks after I ordered it, which isn't too bad. It feels pretty heavy, but yeah, 2 weeks, not too bad. I thought it was gonna take like a lot longer. But here's a tag right there. If you guys didn't know already, this is the Vwoollo knitted hoodie. It has some wrapping in the back. There's a design. Okay, here it is. It's pretty heavy, heavier than I thought it'd be. I think first impressions, this is nice. It has a star in the back. I went with the dark blue. There was like a light blue with white available, and I thought that one was kind of cool, but I feel like the dark blue and the yellow is like kind of like the signature ones. I just like the way that the yellow looks on the dark blue too. So the hood looks nice. It does have like that little tag inside, so we'll see how that feels. But let's rip this tag off and then let's throw it on. It is time. We're gonna throw it on. Let's see how it looks. I was a little worried about sizing. Let's see if I made the right size with the size that I got. Okay, it definitely feels heavy and it's definitely more cropped than I thought it would be, which I don't think it's a bad thing per se, because I mean like the arms are like pretty baggy. Let me clip this real quick. So like, yeah, this part is super baggy. Like you can see it here. There's a lot of space here, but it kind of like tapers into the sleeves. So like the sleeves are cuffed, which I mean, I don't really mind too much. I don't mind like tighter sleeves. I think I probably prefer them maybe a little bit. But I do like this. It is really baggy. It does have a nice weight to it. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Should I have gotten a bigger size? I feel like this is this is how it's supposed to look. Like in the photos, I think the shirts and stuff stick out a little bit. So I don't mind it. It gives like that layering look to it. So I think it looks pretty good. Let's throw on the hood, see how that looks. The hood feels a little heavy. Okay, I mean the hood isn't like huge, but it is like a good size. I wouldn't say it's small either, so I don't know. It's nice. Definitely fits over my head. It doesn't like feel like too tight. I mean, it feels like heavy. I mean, when I turn my head, maybe like it feels a little tight, but I don't know. It's not too bad. It could be a little bigger, but for like a knitted hoodie, I don't mind it. But you definitely like I feel like I could definitely feel it. Not like in a sense that like it's like pulling me back, but it's definitely like weighted. Like the hood definitely has some weight to it. I don't know if that makes sense, but I really like the design. I feel like this is kind of nice. That layering look. I really don't have any other hoodie that looks like this. So I don't know what to compare it to. I would try to compare it to some other hoodie that I have, but I don't have any other knitted hoodie. I know like Scuffers makes a knitted hoodie, and I think it is a little cheaper than this one. But I do prefer this design on this one over the Scuffers one. I feel like the Scuffers one, it just says like Scuffers very small on the hood. But if you like that minimalistic look, maybe that's the one to go for just because it is a little cheaper. But let's talk about everything else. I want to help you guys out if you guys are thinking about or considering getting this hoodie. This is a medium. I'm around like 5'9", 160 pounds. I don't know if weight and stuff really matters, but I know in previous videos you guys were commenting that and I didn't say in the video, so hopefully that helps. So like around 5'9", it fits a little above like my belt line. Like this shirt is medium too, so from like Uniqlo, one of the Uniqlo UT or whatever graphic shirts collection. So it's definitely a little shorter there. The pocket's nice, but price wise, it is a little on the more expensive side. This hoodie was around $140. And luckily I didn't have to pay for shipping, which is another $15, I believe. So it was around like 143ish, 145 after tax for me. But would I say it's worth it? To me personally, I really like this hoodie. And I do think it is worth it. But I don't have any other knitted hoodies to compare it to. I think the Scuffers one is around 100, so it is $40 cheaper-ish, almost $50 cheaper. But I don't have it. Let me know in the comments if you guys think I should get it so I could do a proper comparison of knitted hoodies. Or if you guys have a brand that you guys know of that does knitted hoodies, let me know, because off this first knitted hoodie, I do think I really like them, and I do think this will keep me warm. That was one of the things I was worried about, like if it would let in like wind or whatever too much. Maybe I have to go outside and do a test and then let you guys know. But off of what I'm feeling, this does feel really heavy. It does feel really warm. I do like the fit. The pocket is a decent size. The hood is a decent size, but I feel like when you get a hoodie like this, it's more so the style of the hoodie. But yeah, the style of it is really nice, and the quality of it is really nice as well. Not too much to say else about the hoodie. I would compare it to something else, but don't really have much to compare it to. Price wise, this is definitely one of the, I think this is the most expensive hoodie. Or is the 1800 might be the same. If it is the same, I mean, they're two different like spectrums of hoodies, so I don't know. But yeah, there's not that much more to say. I do really like this hoodie. Just to clarify again, or I don't think I've said it, but this is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money. They didn't send me this or anything. So this is a complete honest review and everything. I spent $140 on this, and I am pretty happy with my purchase. I do think this is really nice. Maybe I'll give a follow-up because I really just unpacked it and put it on. So this is my first impressions of it. Maybe I make another video or I add another clip where I've worn it out and stuff in the cold, because it is pretty cold outside now. It's like around like 40 degrees and stuff. So I'll let you guys know about that. But other than that, I hope this video has helped you guys. They do sell out pretty quick. I got like the early access email thing. So I was in there a little bit earlier than when the site normally does the restocks, and it sold out really fast. So if you are planning on getting this hoodie, I do recommend signing up for the emails and stuff. It just makes it a little easier because they notify you when the restock is happening, and you get a little early access compared to everyone that isn't in the early access. So just a friendly tip. But yeah, that's about it for this video. Let me know in the comments below what other hoodies I should test out or do a review on if you guys want to see that. And maybe let me know why you guys want me to try those hoodies. If you guys have any other knitted hoodie recommendations too, maybe similar to this or maybe not that similar to this, let me know down in the comments below. And if this video helped you, let me know too. I really like hearing your guys's that appreciation that I helped you guys and stuff. It really makes me encouraged to do these videos for you guys. So let me know about that too. And if you have any other questions, let me know down in the comments. I will be very happy to answer any questions that you guys might have. But that's about it. Don't forget to hit that like button, smack that subscribe button as well. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Don't forget to stay fresh.